Mashed potatoes with chicken. This recipe is not only tasty but also packed with nutrients. So, let's get started. For this recipe, you will need the following ingredients: chicken, unsalted butter, yogurt, cheese slice, and of course, potatoes. First, let's prepare our main ingredient, the potatoes. We're going to make some creamy, fluffy, and delicious mashed potatoes. Start by peeling and boiling the potatoes until they are soft and easily mashed. Let's add a twist to our mashed potatoes by boiling them with chicken. Start by peeling the potatoes and cutting the chicken into pieces. Then, put them in a pot and fill it with water. Bring the water to a boil and cook until the potatoes are soft and the chicken is fully cooked.